Hello and welcome to Scrapbook.com. Today I am really excited to share with you two new additions to the double-sided adhesive collection. We have two new sizes that are perfect for die cutters. It's kind of the die cutter's dream sizes because you can pick them up easily. They fit inside of the small machines like the Sizzix Sidekick or the Mini Evolution, or the Big Shot, or the Platinum 6 from Spellbinders, the perfect size specifically for die cutters. Let me give you a closer look. First, we have the smaller package, and the size of each of the sheets are 2.5 inches wide by 4 inches long. These were created specifically for die cutters that want that quick and easy die cut. You're making a card, you need to do a quick die that says happy birthday. You can easily take your piece of paper, put the adhesive on the back, die cut it, and make it into a sticker, and your card is done in seconds. This is the perfect way to just kind of have on hand in the same drawer that you have your Sizzix Sidekick or your Mini Evolution. This was specifically created for people who have those machines. The next size is the 6 by 8.5 inch size, which is perfect for die cutters who have the larger machines like the Platinum 6, the Sizzix Big Shot, and so forth. You can cut your sheets down to 6 by 8.5 and make it easy and quick without having to get your scissors all gummed up and so forth. So let me give you a few examples of how to use them and why they're so convenient and easy to use. If you're a die cutter like I am, a lot of times I have scraps of paper that I want to save to do just small things to run through my mini machines like the Sizzix Sidekick or the Mini Evolution. So what I do with these small sheets is I have my piece of paper that's small. I cut it to the same size as the small sheet, which is 2.5 by 4 inches. I'm going to take my adhesive. I'm just going to start it. I'm not going to pull it all the way off. I'm just going to get it started. I'm going to fold back just a teeny tiny bit like this. I'm going to line up the opposite end first. I'm going to show you here that it's all lined up on the outside, but nothing is sticky yet. This is the side that's sticky. I'm going to push down that release paper. I'm going to make sure it's lined up. I'm just going to roll down the piece that is actually sticky to the cardstock itself. I'm going to lift it up, and I'm slowly going to roll the backing paper off, and I'm just going to flatten it out as it goes so that there's no lumps or bumps. Peel it off, and you have a piece of sticker paper that you can die cut and make a sticker quick and easy for all of your quick cards and little tiny die cuts. Now I'm going to take this exact piece of paper, I'm going to put it sticker side down. My mother-in-law turned 91 this past weekend, so when I made her a card, I just wanted 91 on her card. So I took my little Sidekick, because I don't need my big machine, I just need something small to do the 91. Put it in my Sidekick, loaded it, ran it through the machine. And I have two easy, quick stickers that say 91 that I'm ready to peel and stick and add to my card. Fast, easy, just kind of, you don't want to get out the big roll because I have the big roll in the 2-inch. I use it all the time, but sometimes you just need something fast. This is for that time when you need something small and fast. So if you have the smaller machines and you want to take advantage of them quickly, the smaller 2.5 by 4 inch sheets like this are the perfect solution. If you have the Mini Evolution, it works the same way. Roll it through, pull it out. Perfect sticker every time. The second size that we're introducing is 6 by 8.5. This size fits perfectly through the regular Big Shot machine. I have the 6-inch roll, but sometimes I just want one sheet of stickers to be able to cut out my title and so forth. So this is a perfect solution for that if you have the Big Shot. So I'm going to show you again how to load your paper with the adhesive. So we're going to take the top. We're just going to expose the adhesive on one side, just a teeny tiny bit. We're going to flip it over and we're going to line it up on the bottom that's not exposing the adhesive. So we're going to line it up on the bottom with our paper that's cut exactly to the size. We're going to line it up so that it fits perfectly. And then we're going to just touch the top part down. Okay, so the top part's down. We're going to flip it over and we're going to pull the backing paper off slowly. And what that's going to do, and as we pull, we're just going to rub and smooth the sheets so that you don't have bubbles, you don't get a wrinkle, and you have this perfect sheet of adhesive ready for die cutting words, stamping and die cutting, and so forth. If you're trying to use up your scrap paper and it's not the exact length of your adhesive sheet, what you're going to do is take your non-stick scissors. I have the Holtz Tonic titanium scissors right here, and they are non-stick, because if you use regular scissors, it'll glue up your scissors and you'll have to use undo to get the sticky off. Just take your scissors, trim it off, just like that, and now you're ready to run it through your die cutting machine. If by chance you get some extra adhesive over the edge, like say there's extra adhesive poking out the side, just take and powder it with your powder tool or a little baby powder, or trim it off with scissors. Either way, it works perfectly. Just don't run it through your machine because it will gum up your cutting plates. So definitely don't run it through until you've either powdered or trimmed off the excess edges. Now we're going to go ahead and cut some things. Now we're going to die cut some circles in lots of different shapes so that we can have an assortment of circle stickers on hand for our next project. I'm going to run it through the Sizzix machine. The cracking is normal. It just means that it's cutting properly. We're going to reveal all of our die cuts. And you have perfectly cut stickers in all kinds of shapes and sizes. Great for any of the collages that you make. You can use it on photos, cardstock, as well as ephemera, patterned paper, and so forth, and turn any of your die cuts into ready-made stickers. We're excited about the 2 new sizes, and we hope that you are as well. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.